To make your Instagram completely private. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. And you can all of you guys can do this process in both Android and iOS, so don't worry about that. And then the first process is what you have to do. You have to click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner, and then you have to click on the settings. And here you can see the privacy in the lock like button, so you have to click on the privacy. When you click on the privacy, you have to uh, um, is you can see in the upper window, you can see the in the upper box, you can see in the account privacy tab, you can see the private account. So if you want to private account, and also this video is about the private account, so you have to enable toggle this to off to turn on, and then you have to click on the switch to private, and your account is now private. So that's it, that how you can make your Instagram account completely private. Then so that's it. So if you found this video helpful, I appreciate if you subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. Have a good day.